Good morning, class. Welcome to day 2 of your narrative art unit. This video is going to discuss today's task list and everything that you need to complete for today's class. So just to review our learning goal is to create a narrative illustration, or basically art that tells a story. And you're going to do that in color in a way that visually communicates by using different images, backgrounds, and details. So that leads us right into our entrance ticket, or our essential question: how do artists communicate their experiences, memories, and values visually? It's basically discussed in the learning goal above, where we add different images, we add different backgrounds, and we add specific details to make sure the story is as clear as possible. So the essential question is asking us, basically, how do you take a white piece of paper, a blank piece of paper, and tell this in-depth story with all these incredible details and features? How do you even tell that story? Where do you begin? Now that we're going to add a little bit more to that essential question answer in a later video. We're going to discuss that in a little bit more depth. But we're also going to discuss today the words personal value and illustration. So those are your 2 vocab words for today, and we are going to discuss those in the first video after this one. So let's get right into it. So your first task after this video is to watch the personal value and illustration video. This is to help you answer today's entrance ticket questions. It's a short video. You are required to watch it. Once you've watched it, you'll understand both definitions, so you'll be able to then answer your entrance ticket as your second step, or your second task. So just go into your entrance ticket, answer those 2 questions: what is an illustration and what is a personal value, and submit that for your 2 points. It should be very easy. And lastly, once you've watched the video and you've completed your entrance ticket, just begin your final drawing on the smooth white paper that was given to you. Please do not use the sketch paper any further. You should be finishing your sketch and then starting that final, and then just submit a work or a photo of your work to today's daily progress. As far as the benchmark goal, the goal today, or the goal that you should set for yourself, is to at least have half the final image drawn. You don't need to worry about color today. If you have half of the drawing completed today, you're good. If you complete more than that, you finish the whole thing, that's great. But please make sure you're focusing on filling the entire space of the paper. You're not just drawing it in 30 seconds time. You're really taking your time. You're trying to draw the background and the images to draw large and fill the paper, so that there's not a whole lot of space, empty space remaining. And again, you only need half of that drawing done. So that's all I have for our overview for today. So once you exit out of this video, please make sure you watch the personal value and illustration video, and I look forward to seeing your work that you've completed today. All right, guys, I'll see you in a bit.